Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening an app called Files. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!